Hadien bami ka Jingdawa na kiseng sang perthai, bat kiken hun seng bhalang, ban weng ya ka Jingpynjari ya ka kendon, shispa sa pusau CRPC, hapo ka district, nakaliang Deputy Commissioner Jongka East Khasi Hills District, USC Sadhu, mentakasngi, kalai puwe tarik ujemang, ulalum langi ki political party perthai bapher, bat ka Synjuk ki Nongsynshar Shnong, kabri uhinyo trap, halor ka te kamat. Haba kren syakilat pathai kubor, hadien ka jingyalang, nakaliang UDC, ula Pynjynsur Noh Iakynduh ka Jingpynjari, Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills, ula Pynjynsur bala Pynjynsur Noh. Iakani karai, lashim hadien ka jingyalang hapdeng Deputy Commissioner DC, East Khasi Hills, USC Sadhu, bat ki sengsain perthai, ki kertong shimet, bat ka Synjuk ki Nongsynshar Shnong, kabri uhinyo trap, ula pentipru, banakaliang ki sengsain perthai, bat ka Synjuk ki Nongsynshar Shnong, kila penpau ba kim sngaw yahab, halor ka Jingpynjari kam salonsar, ya ka section CRPC shispa sa pusaw, habaro kawi ka East Khasi Hills. Hakaju kapur, Deputy Commissioner ula kentuye ki pajba ka East Khasi Hills, ki sengsain perthai, banya tray bat ki board district, ban penne ya ka syongsuk syongshngan.
In fact, today we had consultative meetings with the representatives of the political parties and the contesting candidates, and even the representatives of the traditional heads. They have also came and expressed their concerns with regard to this imposition of 144, particularly that point number 5 of 144 restricting the processions and rallies across the East Khasi district. So we have taken note of their concerns, and because in the last 2 or 3 days also this is being expressed by different stakeholders. So we have taken a decision, in fact, that orders will issue on Monday, but we have taken decision to relax that particular part of 144 order, point number 5, so that they have that part can be relaxed. So at the same time, we have appealed to the political parties to cooperate with the district administration, and then they organize any victory portions to give it in writing in terms of the route that they will take up, and to take measures from their side in terms of deploying volunteers from their side, and taking all measures to ensure that no untoward incident happens during these processions and victory rallies. So at the same time, so what I would like to affirm is that after consulting with all the stakeholders, we have taken this decision. At the same time, we would like to appeal to all people and all people of the district and political parties is to ensure that they have to support the district administration and cooperate with the district administration in terms of maintenance of the law and order. And if there is any violation in terms of creating any law and order situations or violence, that will be dealt upon. Otherwise, that particular point will be relaxed.
Okay, can you tell us that 144 section will be only involved in polling counting area?
In counting area, only in the poll, that counting area.
So not outside?
Not outside. So now that, as I said, that point number 5, which applies to entire East Khasi district, will be revoked, and all other points will remain the same. So additional security measures, in fact, in the entire polo area, as we know that it is as per the protocol that law and order has to be maintained. The deployment of CAPF, state police forces will be there to ensure that counting is done peacefully. At the very same time, so as I said, as we had a discussion with the political parties, so we have taken enough measures to ensure that these victory processions should not turn out to be should not lead to any of the untoward incidents. So that kind of measures we have taken by in fact closely working with all stakeholders, including the political parties and traditional institutions and other stakeholders, so that we will ensure that no untoward incident mars our entire election. Yes, in fact, they should. In fact, this is a collective responsibility. As I said, this is a collective responsibility. But we have an assurance from their side that they will take all measures to ensure that their rallies will be peaceful.
Higung to bagalami ki kot khobor ki social media ti ngi hung gi Nongsynshar Shnong but ni snong bagi don get tingkat kle khamtam hakba de baka shongsok shongsai nyong ka social long bro ko but ngi dap daga jing ngo lomba pat jujia teng menu kumgani kaba habki week election MLA election ni kham shongshit ndai kumga MP election ju don kata restriction ban ai ka section 144 nrei kansan menta ki ai tingi halor kan ngan rem nilai perkhat sani bha pat ngi ong ba em ngi le Iakynduh bat ngin ai ru ga jing tho hiu DC ba ni ngem smol tanat ya kani ka hukum bo penmi ba dei ban weng be mar dor ya ka mar balai kani ka penmi ya kijing perkhat ki bobun jat hakinong song but kap wanra ya kijing songs ir kijing siapte tingi nakaliang ka jongi ka Synjuk Nongsynshar Shnong ka bri hnyo trap mar bangim don kono ka jing ya dei bat kono ka party san perthai tingi sngo baga dei ka kamram ringi ban wan shakmat bat ngi la ong no UDC pa jing sha nadu ka singin kong shwa ba pen penmi ya kani hukum phila dei ban khot ingi ki stakeholders ban ne don lang baling ong yang kata mar lada mi ka haganu ko por the district administration ni government kinwat shwai yangi habak hadu de mengi ban jingja tiang ta da ba man sim ka ba smokia but kum ki Nongsynshar Shnong di badan ke jikit kle ya ribat ki jak rojong